So this is the final video. We'll check everything. So I'm gonna save the file now. Let's go back to our form again. So this is our database. Let's start from the beginning. Basically, we will be visiting from the beginning. So I'm going to add a new guy. So I'm going to put the password as 345 and 345. So let's submit this. That has been successfully submitted. So let's cancel this. So let's do the same thing again. And yes, now I don't want to continue with this, so I'm going to cancel it. So let's check the cancel button. Yes, cancel button is working perfectly. So let's go to the display information. So last one we have added Mark Philip. So that's we are seeing that's already been inserted into the database. So our database is here. So we can check the database. As I'm refreshing the database now. Yes, that's our latest data. So we're gonna suppose update this information. Okay. So we're gonna make it like www, and basically just to play with it, because we just want to test the things out. Password is 4. I'm gonna confirm the password is 4. That's fine. So update it. Okay, that's been updated and the value has been added already. So as you can see, we have updated the value successfully, which is fine. So now we will delete this one because we think this is not the actual correct information here. So basically that's the wrong information and we don't want it in our system. So we'll delete it. Let's say if delete button is working or not. Okay, so delete button is working. So that particular random like value has gone, which has no meaning. Let's check in the database because it's still we can see in the database, but we have not refreshed the database yet. Let's check it. Okay, so from the database we can see that value has gone. So basically whole form is working, and that's how we will create an user registration form. The video could have been faster if my form was small, but since I have made a relatively large form with a lot of codes inside, so it took some time to finish it. So that's how we will do it. First we'll create a registration form as the way you like it. Then we will create some PHP codes so that we can capture the data in user input from the users. We'll connect the PHP with the database by using this method, this process of coding, and then we will display those information if you want to, if you need to. I just wanted to show you like how to fetch the data. That's the way I'm showing you the display the information, user information inside your web browser or web application. And also if you want to update the information, this is the way you can update the whole information. So the way you can do it, like you can fetch the information first, so the user can see which information need to be updated first, okay, or which area need to be rectified. So that's the way they can update the information. These are the whole codes. And to delete the file, so delete any information or any row, there is a way. So we can do it everything via PHP. That's how the PHP gonna work. That's how the registration form can work ideally. Thank you guys for your patience. Thank you for your time. It means a lot. Okay. Take care. Bye.